Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola Device to Xiaomi 13T Pro. Begin by opening Play Store on both and downloading free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then, in order to set it up, click on the same options on both smartphones. I will start with Xiaomi. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one. I agree, I acknowledge, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now if you wish to. To close it, hit OK. Then click on Close in white pop-up at the top. And to get rid of personalization pop-up, hit History at the bottom of both devices. Then tap on the best option for you to decide if you wish to personalize your ad experience. Wherever you decided, tap on Close this window. And finally select Send at the bottom left corner of Motorola. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Xiaomi. Now, after going back to Motorola Device, you can finally use all of those categories available at the top. Then select all of your files that you wish to send. And lastly, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. In some of those categories, you need to choose Allow. Then select your files. Now tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon next to Input key on Xiaomi. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your Xiaomi's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input Key section and type in all of those numbers in correct order. Lastly, hit Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!